Hey everyone, I'm Lydia from Rick's Review Hub, and I'm pumped to talk about the Husqvarna 420iQ Automower robotic mower. If you're tired of pushing a heavy mower or want a smart, hands-free way to keep your lawn pristine, this could be your yard's new best friend. Let's dive in. First, let's break down what makes the 420iQ so cool. This robotic mower uses Husqvarna's EPOS technology for wire-free navigation, so you set virtual boundaries through the Automower Connect app. It handles up to 1 acre and slopes up to 45%, with a cutting height of 1 to 4 inches. You can pick mowing patterns like random, striped, or checkerboard for a custom look. It's got radar for obstacle avoidance, a rugged bumper, and large wheels to tackle driveways and uneven terrain. The app lets you tweak schedules, heights, and zones, plus it has GPS tracking and an anti-theft alarm. The kit includes the mower, charging station, EPOS reference station, and blades. Now the pros. This mower saves you tons of time, delivering a perfect lawn 24/7 even in rain. The wire-free setup is a breeze, and the app makes scheduling and pattern changes super easy. It's quiet, eco-friendly with no emissions, and the GPS tracking adds peace of mind. On the con side, it's pricey at around $3,500, so it's a big investment. You need good satellite reception for EPOS to work well, so heavy tree cover might require a backup wire. Some users report occasional app glitches, but updates usually fix them. Who's this for? If you have a large lawn up to 1 acre and love tech that makes life easier, the 420iQ is a fantastic choice. It's great for busy homeowners or anyone wanting a pristine yard without the work. If you have a tiny lawn or tight budget, a smaller model might be better, but this is a top pick for bigger yards. Ready to ditch the mower? Click the link in the description for the best pricing and special deals from Rick's Review Hub. If you found this review helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more outdoor tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and let's keep those lawns perfect.